Unveiling New Perspectives, the power of a fresh pair of eyes. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase that you might have come across: a fresh pair of eyes. This expression is widely used in both professional and personal contexts, but what does it really mean? Stick around as we explore its meaning, usage, and how it can impact your work or studies. The phrase, a fresh pair of eyes, refers to the idea of having someone new look at a piece of work or a problem. This new person is not someone who has previously seen the work or been involved in the problem. The key here is newness and perspective. It's believed that someone who is not familiar with the work can provide new insights, catch mistakes, or come up with innovative solutions that those too close to the work might have missed. Having a fresh pair of eyes look at your work is incredibly valuable for several reasons. First, it can help identify errors or oversights that you might have missed, no matter how many times you've reviewed the work yourself. Second, it can offer new perspectives or creative solutions to problems that seemed unsolvable. This is especially true in creative projects, academic research, or business strategies, where a different viewpoint can make a big difference. You can use the phrase, a fresh pair of eyes, in various contexts. For example, if you've been working on an essay or a project for a long time and feel stuck, you might ask a friend or colleague, "Can you take a look at this with a fresh pair of eyes?" By doing so, you're acknowledging that you're too close to the work to see it objectively and that you value their unbiased opinion. If someone asks you to be their fresh pair of eyes, here are a few tips to make your feedback helpful. 1. Approach the work objectively, without any preconceived notions. 2. Look for clarity and coherence in the work. Does everything make sense? 3. Don't hesitate to ask questions. Your questions can help the creator think about their work in new ways. 4. Offer constructive feedback. Highlight what works well in addition to what could be improved. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, a fresh pair of eyes. Remember, whether you're seeking someone else's perspective or offering your own, this approach can lead to significant improvements and innovative solutions. We hope this video has been enlightening, and we encourage you to embrace the power of fresh perspectives in your work and creative endeavors. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.